Hi. Hey, I want to tell you about our science seminar. Just give you a little bit of a kind of an outline of what our science-based seminar clinic looks like. So our two-day clinic, right, on day one, we're all going to meet together in more of a classroom setting where I'll be showing some pictures or maybe some video clips, but we'll be talking about the science of how our horses actually operate, of what can happen and kind of what can't happen with our horses. What does their brain really operate like? So we'll spend the first half of the day in the classroom discussing these scientific terms, really understanding the horse's autonomic system. We'll be talking about upregulation, downregulation, self-regulation. We'll discuss the neurochemicals that are going on with your horse, cortisol and adrenaline, dopamine and serotonin. And we're going to talk about how we as the handlers influence all of these neurochemicals in our horses. So the first half of day one is in the classroom, really getting the definition of terms and getting a good mental understanding of scientifically how our horses work, how and when they can learn, right? When are they in this optimal learning range? When is the peak performance of their ability to learn? And then after lunch on day one, we'll go out to the round pen where I'll take a horse and we will go through and discuss and show these scientific principles that we just learned about in the classroom. We're going to go out and take it to the horse. Let's go see what the horse has to say, right? Science is proven truth backed up by Mother Nature. So let's go put them both together in the round pen, take a look at them, and really see what Mother Nature wants us to know about science and how our horses operate. So that'll be a great demonstration. You'll get to see everything in real time, really see it working. And then on day two, for those of you that are bringing horses, day two will be out in the arena all day. This is going to be a time where you're going to be implementing these scientific principles with your horse, the very core principles of getting your horse to reset or to restart or to start over, to go look for those holes in our horsemanship. We're starting with a very key principle of your horse having immobility without fear. This is required for learning. What that means is, or the question is, can your horse stand still and be relaxed? This is required for learning. So getting these first principles of the science-based horsemanship out in the arena with you and your horse and with me, I'll be out there with you all day. We'll be going over all of these maneuvers, these kind of safe, these scientific neurochemical brain exercises for your horse to do. We'll go through it all in the day, out in the arena, working together with you and your horse. So it's an awesome, action-packed, entertaining, information-packed weekend of the two-day Science-Based Horsemanship Clinic. So that's kind of the rundown on how it goes. Love to have you join us. Please get signed up now. We have limited space for those of you that can bring horses. Like, it's a limited number, so if that's something you're wanting to do, do it sooner. I look forward to meeting you. See you there.